Hello friends, welcome back to USN Mix channel. Today's topic is iPod ready for selling on eBay for rupees 14 lakhs. First we'll go to the website. Our website is usnmix.com and go to the topic. So iPod ready for selling on eBay for rupees 14 lakhs. USN Mix report. What is the iPod specialty that is ready for sale in 14 lakhs and competing with buyers and competing in buyers? So it is too much price for an iPod. This iPod has been listed for online selling on eBay. Its price is approx 19955, 19,955 and is about 14 lakhs rupees. At the time when iPod was launched, its price was only $399. At present, its price is the price is 28,000. So it is too much higher. At the beginning, when it start selling, when it was manufactured, its price was only 339. And its price now is 19,955. So it is too much higher price. So what is the reason behind for this higher price? So let's see the value of technology increases and when it is more advanced and latest, but Apple's 18 years old product has gone up to millions instead of being reduced. 18 years ago, 2001, it is 2019, and when it is before 18 years, 2001, the CEO Steve Jobs launched the iPod. So the CEO is the inventor of this iPod, and he is the CEO of this company iPod, Apple iPod. There is a collection of 1,000 songs. This MP3 player is now sold in 14 million. It has now become a vintage product of Apple, whose packing has not been even opened. So, which iPod at that time, which iPod was not sold till now, which packaging is not even opened. Its price is now 14 million. In approximately the price was 14 lakhs, 19,955. The iPod has been listed for online selling on eBay. Its price is 19,955 and is about 14 lakh rupees. In INR, in India, its price is 14 lakh rupees. At the time when the iPod was launched, its price was only 339. At present, it was 20,000. At present, it was the value of this 399, 28,000 rupees. If anyone want to purchase at that time, then its price was the dollar per dollar is also lower than today's rate. So at present it is 70, so it is approximately 28,000 rupees, and in dollar it is 14 lakh rupees. Steve Jobs, the inventor of this Apple iPod, and said while launching it, 1,000 songs now in your pocket. Its internal memory was 5 GB and 2-inch LCD screen. Songs were played for up to 10 hours after the battery was fully charged. It was quite a slim iPod whose thickness was only 0.70 inches. So this is the picture. Let's go to the eBay website. We will search eBay iPod. Then we will just see there the iPod price. This is the present iPod, and also I want to see the previous when it is launched. Steve Jobs Apple. This is first generation. So no. we just searching the iPod. This is the Apple iPod. This is the first generation iPod, which was invented by the Steve Jobs, and you just see the price is 19,995. So today's rate is more, approximately 14 lakh rupees in Indian INR, Indian rupees. So this Apple iPod 5GB super rare 2001 first generation original classic, factory sealed. So this is the newly when it is launched then its price is only 399. Now it is selling price is 19,955. So this is the price, and you just see this, and this is the iPod when it is first iPod package. This is the another side of this iPod seal, and this is the seal, and this is the manufacturer. This is the www.apple.com. Apple is one invented this iPod, Steve Jobs. This packet is not open till now, so its price is first generation rare iPod. It is selling price is 14 lakh rupees, and in Indian money and in US price is $19,995. If you want to buy, then you just go to the eBay website and just click on buy it now, or add to cart and make payment and get this first generation Apple iPod. So that's it. So if you ready to the iPod ready for selling on eBay, first generation Apple iPod. And thanks for watching. And if you like our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.